Hey there, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, and today we're delving into a topic that's often the unsung hero of our wellness journey: 4 signs of a healthy metabolism, according to health experts. It's like having a superhero inside us, quietly doing its job to keep our energy levels in check. So, let's uncover the indicators that suggest your metabolism is thriving. Ready? Let's roll. Sign 1. Steady energy levels. Sign number 1. Steady energy levels. Ever wonder why some people seem to have boundless energy? Well, a healthy metabolism plays a significant role. If you find yourself consistently energized throughout the day without relying on excessive caffeine or sugar, your metabolism might be doing a fantastic job converting food into usable energy. Sign 2. Efficient digestion. Now, let's talk about efficient digestion. A healthy metabolism ensures that your body efficiently processes the nutrients from your meals. If you experience regular, comfortable digestion without bloating, gas, or discomfort, it's a positive sign that your metabolism is working harmoniously. Sign 3. Consistent weight management. Sign number 3. Consistent weight management. Now, this doesn't mean constantly chasing a specific number on the scale. A healthy metabolism supports a stable weight that's right for your body. If your weight tends to stay within a relatively consistent range without extreme fluctuations, it's a positive indicator of a well-regulated metabolism. Sign 4. Adequate sleep. Lastly, let's talk about the often overlooked factor: adequate sleep. Quality sleep is like a secret weapon for a healthy metabolism. If you find yourself waking up refreshed, maintaining energy levels throughout the day, and not constantly craving sugary snacks to combat fatigue, your metabolism is likely benefiting from those restful nights. General tips. Now, before you start analyzing every hiccup or flutter in your daily routine, here are a few general tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Water is crucial for metabolic processes, so keep sipping throughout the day. 2. Regular exercise. Physical activity helps rev up your metabolism. 2. Find activities you enjoy to make it sustainable. 3. Balanced nutrition. Ensure your meals are rich in a variety of nutrients to support overall metabolic health. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your metabolism. 4. Incorporate stress management techniques into your routine. Before you go, here's a little challenge for you. In the comments below, share which sign of a healthy metabolism resonated with you the most, or any tips you have for boosting metabolism naturally. Let's create a hub of shared knowledge and inspire each other on this wellness journey. If you found this video helpful and are ready to embark on more wellness adventures with Health Spiffy, give it a thumbs up. Your support fuels our mission to bring you valuable insights. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Join our community, and let's make every day a step towards a healthier, spiffier you.